Today we are in Blackbrook, Marden Grove to be precise, in a lovely cul-de-sac in a very family-friendly area. We're here to see this 4-bedroom detached house with garage, driveway for 3 cars, utility, downstairs loo, ensuite and the master bedroom. It's a perfect family home. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hopefully you liked what you saw. If you'd like to book a viewing on this property or you'd like me to come and value your home, please do get in touch, and I hope to speak to you soon. Thanks so much.